Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for binomial distribution. Kindly refers to the question, given we have the x as binomially distributed with the n which is equal to 5 and the probability of success which is equal to 0.15. Find the A, probability that x is equal to 2. So first of all, we can make use of the formula where we have probability that x which is equal to 2. Kindly refers to the formula on the right hand side. We have NCR. So in here, the n would be 5. C and the r will be equals to 2. Multiply with 0.15, the probability of success. Then we have the 2. The probability of failure would be 1 minus the 0.15. So in here, we have 0.85 to the power of, where we have n minus r. 5 minus the 2, and we will have the 3. By referring to the calculator, then we will have the answer. Probability that x is equals to 2 will be equals to 0.1382. Next, by using the table, find the probability that x is equals to 2. So by referring to the table, we have the situation, probability that x greater equals to 2 minus probability that x is greater equals to 3, because we are making use of the greater than table. Kindly refers to the table. So here we have the table of binomial probability. So notice that we have the n which is equals to 5. Next, looking for the p. So in here, we didn't have the 0.15. So kindly refers to the next page or the following page. Next, we have here the 5. Then we have the p 0.15. Kindly refers to the 2. So in here, the 2 will be 0.1648. Another one will be 0.0266. So meaning that the probability that x is greater and equals to 2 will be equals to 0.1648. And for the probability that x greater equals to 3 will be equals to 0.0266. So kindly refers to the situation. So in here we have 0.1648 minus 0.0266. Kindly refers to the calculator and we will have the answer. Probability that x is equals to 2 will be equals to 0.1382. So that is where we making use of the table. Next, kindly refers to B. Probability that when x is less than equals to 3. So for this case, we are going to make use of the table and not the formula. So by referring to the situation, we have 1 minus the situation where we have probability that x greater equals to 4. So we can interpret the situation. We are interested in 0, 1, 2, and 3, but not for the 4. So kindly refers to the table. So now we are interested in probability that x is greater equals to 4. So the probability will be 0.0022. So here we have the situation 1 minus 0.0022. By referring to the calculator, probability that x is less than equals to 3 will be equals to 0.9978. Next, kindly refers to C. Find the probability that we are interested in x is greater equals to 1 and less than 5. So kindly equate the situation. So x is greater equals to 1 and less than equals to, so in here we are interested in 4. For this case, table will be the most suitable situation. So making use of the table, probability that x is greater equals to 1. So in here we are interested in 1, 2, 3 and also the 4, but not for the 5. So probability that x is greater equals to 5. So kindly refers to the table. So in here we are interested in 1 and also the 5. So if it's a 1, 0.5563. If it's a 5, 0.0001. So kindly substitute the situation. We have 0.5563 minus 0.0001. By referring to the calculator, probability that x is greater equals to 1 and less than 5, the answer will be 0.55 and then 62. Next, refers to D. Find the mean, or we can say the EX. So the formula will be NP. Kindly substitute the situation where we have 5 multiplied with 0.15. So by referring to the calculator, the mean will be equals to 0.75. Next is to find the variance, where we have the variance, which is equals to N, P, and the Q. So here we have 5 multiplied with 0.15 multiplied with 0.85. So in here the variance would be 0.6375.